Have you experienced challenges trying to find the parts you are looking for on vendor websites? You are not alone. At Highway and Heavy Parts, the customer experience is our most important concern. That's why we've created a catalog system that can help you search for parts for your engine. In this video, we'll be going over how our catalog works. First, from the home page of our website, hover over Resources in the top right. Then, select Catalogs. From here, you have access to a wide range of catalogs for our popular engine models. If you click on a catalog, it will take you to the main screen. Here, you can click the left and right arrows to flip pages in the catalog. From left to right, the top buttons are Crop and Print for taking images of the catalog, Table of Contents and Switch Page View for changing how you view the page, Share, where you can share to Facebook, Twitter, email, LinkedIn, Pinterest, or just to grab the direct link. Then we have more navigation options in the center of the top bar. You can view page thumbnails, download the catalog as a PDF, or use the magnifying glass icon to search specific terms such as part number or product name. Our Note button is useful for adding notes next to part numbers such as quantity or reminders, and you can even bookmark or favorite pages for later. These notes will save to your computer only. Finally, the last button returns you to the catalog library, where you can view our other available catalogs. This has been a brief overview of how to navigate, share, search, and save our catalog. Next, we'll walk you through the process of searching for a specific engine part. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.